lang ikaw yung mga anak ng mga legends
Hindi
who are
po.
now entering. You use the word, ayoko nang
O hindi menopause, di ba?
Meno baby. Okay, meno baby. No, parang may pressure ba that there's something to prove?
I feel like for me, not really. I don't know. I feel like I think it's still it's chill naman. Kasi I'm not really like I don't have much out there things. Pero I don't know. I don't want to like have that mindset of like comparison. You know, especially when it comes to being like a child of an artist and whatnot. Like it gets to me sometimes. Like I think about it and I'm like. You know, like there's like those thoughts though where like, oh, people are expecting to be like my mom and this and
Ako din they expected me to be like my mom. Eh, wala eh.
Right.
Kasi iba. So, ako iba, siya iba.
But at the end of the day, yeah, we're all different, and so I think we should just do our thing. And,
Yeah, no, because they're saying lang parang you had an easy access to get in
right.
because of your mom.
Hindi rin ako marunong kasi gumamit ng influence ko eh. Sabi nga nila, gamitin mo yung pangalan mo. Saan? Sabi, hello, si Jaya. I really don't think that way. Kaya I ask for Cornerstone's help. Ano ba? Can you guys help her? Kasi hindi ako marunong eh. Ganun. Hindi ako, I don't think that
And
way.
most of the time, nga, it's like, as much as I think, oh, I have that title of Jai's daughter, most of the stuff I do is on my own anyways.
Okay.
Like, you know, my mom doesn't help me practice singing, she doesn't help me write songs. Everything naman that I do on my end is my stuff. But of course, I'll always go for help and stuff.
This is her support. This is her way
Yes.
showing.
Yeah,
Oh,
she can do it.
yes.
She's got it. She's got it. Just need time. Just wait for time. Yung bonggang-bong.
Congrats.
Thank you. Any other, ano naman ako? Any other questions?
Miss Jaya,
Oh.
kahit nasa US kayo, aware din po ba kayo na the music industry here in the Philippines is very alive and new artists are emerging? Ano po yung
Sorry,
masasabi?
ano? Yung
New
la-
artists are emerging.
I know. I'm really excited about that. Finally, eto na yung bagong sibol ng mga artists na ito na talaga sila. So like, I would tell my daughter, while this is happening, get in there. Kasi wala na tong anak ni ganon or saan ka galing. It's about your music, your talent, show them what you have. Ako, na-excite ako kasi nandito ako ng ilang weeks, 3.5. Gusto kong makanood ng ibang shows. Eh, hindi ko maalam kung makakaabot ako sa ibang artist na merong mga concert dyan. So I'm gonna ask Karasan there. Kasi nakanood ako ng TJ sa San Francisco. So yun, nayak-yak ako.
Wow.
Nayak ako. Kasi iba na yung nakita ko, Kares. Grabe yung ginawa ni Direk dyan. I was like, ito na pala ang concert scene sa atin. Paano ko hahabulin to? Very visual. Very storytelling. Yung mga kanta, parang nakakaiyak. Tsaka yung mga lights na umaangat, na kontrolado pala ng, alam mo yon yung visuals niya, iba. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na palang bumalik sa pagsasayaw. Charot. Charot. No, but I'm really excited to be part of the new scene, kahit man lang collab-collab, kung may gustong makipag. But yeah, I'm excited. Very, very good yung mga bago natin. I don't wanna mention any names kasi marami sila.
Gusto ng mga bading ng bagong hits.
Mga pwedeng, ano bang gusto niyo mga box? Ano bang klase ng songs?
Kasi yung last mo, gusto ng mga bading.
Yung hanggang dito na lang.
Correct.
Oh, well.
Sa mga inuman ng mga bading, yun ang kinakanta.
Oo nga. Pati sa US, yung mga bakla doon,
Diba?
mama, sakit. Well, kasalanan ko ba? Hindi na ako nasiyan niya.
Eh, maganda yung ginawa ni Yen for you.
Kasalanan ko ba? Guys, listen to that album. Nakakaloka. Tanggap ko na.
Salamat.
Kasalanan ko ba? Hanggang dito na lang. May isa pa eh.
Ang sakit niya.
Sakit lahat. Ba't di ba ako ginaganyan? Oo nga yun. Bakit? Ba't ako?
Ate, mag-share ka lang about sa guest mo. Yung
Oh yes! So, eto na nga, nag-iisip kami ng guests. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng guest na kilala ko. Yung meron akong relationship with them. Kasi mahirap yung may guest ka lang tapos kumanta lang kayo. Mararamdaman yun sa stage. And Eric Santos and I were very close friends. Si Jason D, ganun din. Parang naging, hindi naman mommy, but kaidaran ko kasi mami niya eh. So talagang when we were hanging out at the time na nag-Soulja kami, naging deep din yung relationship. Tsaka si Ogie, obviously, the man is almost like a mentor. He really helped shape my faith. So, hindi pwedeng wala. Si Regine, I asked her, kaya lang, live ang Idol every Sunday. Siya una kong tinanong, syempre. Uy, bakla pwede ka ba? Ay, oo, check natin ang schedule. Tapos balik siya agad. Mare, hindi pwede. But obviously, it's gonna be the husband na kakasamahin ko for the night. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung yung selection of songs. We wanted to really stretch everything kasi sa dami nga ng pwedeng gawin, di ba? Kaya lang sa iksi rin nung time, papano? So I'm hoping and praying that this show, mabuo namin siya ng tamang-tama sa panglasa, and then from there we can then come up with another plan. Kasi di ba, ang mga Pinoy gusto lahat kumanta. Wala tayong choice. Lahat singers. So after this, testing natin, then let's see what's next. Pero ito, kakanta siya, not as an opening act, but as my special guest.
So ate, itis natin, bawal pa i-reveal pero after the concert, may lalabas si ate na isang collaboration with the Gen Z.
Na?
Ha?
Sa isang
Ay!
Gen Z.
So sabi ko, yun yung collaboration natin.
Kaya ngayon naayos ko na yung sarili ko
May
ganito
isang
mga
Gen Z
suot eh.
na ano,
Kasi
si ate, may isang
kaya
Gen Z
yung mga
na siya yung pangarap na makakolab. So itutuloy namin.
nagulat lang ako.
We will release na song after the concert.
Ilang taon lang siya?
Wala pa ata 25. Bagets talaga, Gen Z talaga.
Sabi
So
ko
siya
ha?
yung dream collab, gagawin namin after the concert, i-release siya before she leaves.
Right. Sabi ko lang, oh sige, good luck.
So 3 weeks kayo dito.
Is it 4 weeks? September 6, October 6. That's about a
Yeah,
month.
one talaga.
Isang buwan.
Sige, ano po
Syempre,
picture na.
Para may 2 questions tayo para before sila chika-chika after. May magtatanong pa po. Okay na po. Sige, si Hana.
Siguro last ko na lang po for my end. With the success of OPM now, parang do you feel now na parang you can fully let go and just be like the mentorship role? And just
Let go? Ano yun? Okay, wait.
let go in the sense na parang hindi ko na kailangan like to keep up much with
Oh
them.
my gosh, yeah. You know what?
The mentor.
Sakto yan. I was thinking about that. Like, who would ask me that question? Wala na po akong wala na po ako dun sa hustle mo. Siguro naman sa 30 plus years, 10 years old pa lang ako, dancer na ako ni mama, tapos 12, pinilit na niya ako kumanta, and I was already doing the hustle. Ano na ako ngayon? I'm very much content and grateful na narating ko yung ganito na, at tagal, no? 2025? I started 1980. Kumikita na ako ng pa 50, 20, ay ganon.
45 years na.
Doing this, yes. Stevie B was 1988. Banda was 1985.
Metro Pop.
1996. Kakauwi ko lang eh. Tinatago-tago pa nga ako kasi majubis daw ako. Sabi, oy! Huwag yung pakainin niya. Si Mamita talagang, give her only tilapia.
Doon ako walang na-in-love sa'yo, Metro Pop.
Metro. Damit niya yung damit niya. Kasi wala akong pera. Kaya bumili, sabi niya, huwag ka na bumili, go in my closet. And that was the beginning of everything. Metro Pop was really...
Ate, mag-sample ka ng konting sometimes you just know.
Serious?
Pinakanta ka namin dito.
Ginawa ko. Ano ba
Chorus na lang tayo.
Love is a sweet thing and love conquers all. And sometimes you just know you're about to fall. It's really funny when you're out of control. Sometimes you just know it's a